first grade paper. And today we're going to add in any order. So let's go and watch the video first. Turn it up. Once you have your name on your paper, set your pencil down, look up here. Oh, they hit the wrong one. Or did it work? It worked. Okay, listen up.
Addends are the parts of an addition equation that are added. This cube train shows 4 red cubes and 2 blue cubes. 4 and 2 are addends. What is the sum of the addends? The sum is 6. You can change the order of the addends. The sum is the same. The cube train on the top shows 4 red cubes and 2 blue cubes. That shows 4 and 2 is 6. What does the cube train on the bottom show?
What does it show on the bottom?
Blue, then red.
Okay. Is it the same numbers? Oh, just a different.
But blue, blue, red, 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 red.
Okay, so here you had 4 red plus 2 blue. And here you have 2 blue plus 4 red.
The bottom train shows 2 blue cubes and 4 red cubes. That shows 2 and 4 is 6. How are the trains different? How are they alike?
All right, so how are they different? You can raise your hand and tell me how they're different. Jax.
Well, one blue is on this side and one blue is on the
Okay,
left
so
side.
the way they put the colors in order are different. Okay, how are they alike? Let's see, who hasn't been called on lately? Georgia. How are they alike?
Because they have the same colors, but they're not really in order.
Okay, so they have the same colors, right? This has 4 red, this has 4 red, this has 2 blue, this has 2 blue.
The order of the cubes is different. They are alike because they have the same number of cubes.
All right, we're gonna try it.
It's that robot.
That robot. Okay.
Drag the groups of cubes together to form one long train.
Okay, so I can go like this,
2 and 4 is 6.
but I can also do this.
4 and 2 is 6.
It's gonna equal
4
the same
and 2
amount.
is 6.
It's just in a different order.
2 and 4 is 6.
They're always gonna still be 6 because there's still 6 cubes.
You can write 2 addition equations. Do they show the addends and sum? How are the addition equations different?
Okay, so they show the sum, right? But they're different because the order is written in a different order, but it still has the same sum. So 4 plus 2, 2 plus 4, both equal 6.
Yes, the equations show the addends 4 and 2, and the sum 6. The addends are in a different order. Look at the addition facts. Do they show the same addends and sum? Yes, the same numbers are shown in a different order. You see 4 plus 2 equals 6, and also 2 plus 4 equals 6.
You have just learned that when you change the order of the addends, the sum remains the same.
Okay, so the sum is still going to be the same, even if you change the order of the numbers. Now look at how they wrote this addition fact. This was like on our morning work yesterday. Up and down. 4 plus 2, the line means equals, and the sum goes at the bottom, underneath the line. Okay, I know a few friends had a little trouble wondering where to put the answer, but it goes right under, like you go down like it's almost like a column going straight down. Okay, you put it right under there.
And the line going straight down.
Yeah, like a line going straight down. Okay, awesome. Now,
Write an addition equation for the green and yellow cubes in each cube tower. How are the addition equations the same? How are they different?
Okay, so let's start with doing the first cube tower. Okay, how many green cubes are there, everyone? 1, 2, 3, 4, how many? 4. So that number goes here.
It froze. The board is frozen. Yeah, the board is frozen. Yay. You're not that funny. Yeah, board frozen. Yeah. Okay, just talk. Board frozen. Oh no, the board's frozen. Everyone press everything.
Okay, so 4 green. Go ahead and write 4 first. Plus how many yellow?
3.
3. 4 plus 3 equals how many? What is the sum?
6.
Count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Write 7 there.
No.
Right here. After the equal sign. Oop, let's try this. I don't know what's happening. Okay, so 4 plus 3 equals 7. Come over to this cube tower. It just has the cubes in a different order. So how many yellow are first this time? 3. Write that here in the first spot. Plus, how many are green? 4 equals how many altogether? 7. All right, so the sum is the same. It's the same number of cubes, just the order of how they wrote how many cubes there were changed. Okay, got it? Thumbs up. All right, let's see if I can get this to work.
I'm gonna be here all day.
We're going to be here all day. I don't know what's happening.
Me too. It's hard to press the
All right. Okay, turn to the next page. You'll see the video again. It's definitely not working. Here we go. Let's wait for it to shut down. We'll start it back up. Okay, go to the next page, please. Go to the next page. We're going to the next page. I'm going to go ahead and get started while this loads up.
This is fun. I made it right. Hold it off.
Okay, let's look at number 1. Number 1. Under where we just watched the video. Okay, color to change the order of the addends. Then write the addition equation. So, when you look at the cubes on number 1, the cubes are the blue cubes on the top and the green cubes on the bottom. Okay? And they wrote 3 plus 2 equals 5. Can you trace that? There were 3 blue cubes plus 2 green cubes equals 5 altogether. Go ahead and trace that on number 1. Okay? Now go down underneath. Now we have to color the cubes the same number but in a different way. So what cubes are going to go at the top and what cubes are going to come at the bottom? So let's see. Let's see if I can get this going real quick. Oh, it came back on. Oh, maybe that's, yeah, okay. Here we go. All right, so you're going to use the same colors. Okay, you have to get out a blue and a green, right? The same colors. But you're going to put 2 green at the top and 3 blue at the bottom. Okay? Let me try to get there so I can show you. Hopefully this works now. Right underneath. See right under here? Right underneath.
So bring it.
Okay. We're on solve and share. Let's go to, all right, now I think we got it. Practice. All right, here we go. We here? Is it working? Okay. cute. Okay, perfect. Okay. All right, so tell me, did you put 2 green at the top and 3 blue at the bottom? Yes. Okay, and then you have to make your addition equation there. So how many green equals how many blue equals how many all together? Okay. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Here it was 3 plus 2 equals 5, and now it's the same numbers, just in a different order, 2 plus 3, but the sum stays the same. God bless you. Okay, now we need either purplish pink color and orange. How many, is that pink or purple on your paper? Purple. How many purple do you need? 1, so write a 1 here. How many orange are there? Good. And yeah, just get it similar color. Doesn't have to be exact. How many orange? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 plus 5 equals how many altogether? 6. Now you're gonna keep the same number of that color, but just change the order. So you need to start with orange. You need 5 orange and 1 of the purplish color there. Magenta, there you go. So it's going to have the same ends there, just in a different order. So it's going to have how many orange plus how many magenta equals how many altogether? The same number, because there's still the same number of cubes. So what they did here, okay, look up here, friends. What they did here was they just took that cube turn and like turned it over. Showed the same, but it was in a different order. So, do you understand? Show me. How can you use cubes to show that 5 plus 3 is the same as 3 plus 5? I'm going to show you using these cubes here. Yes. 5 yellow, I'm going to show you, because we only have one color of cubes. So I'm going to show you 5 yellow and 3 green. Okay? How can you use cubes to show that 5 plus 3 is the same as 3 plus 5? So look up here. 5 plus 3 is the same as, everybody watching? 3 plus 5. Okay? So, once again, 5 yellow plus 3 green is the same as 3 plus 5, which is what's the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what I want you to do is just draw a cube tower with 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can make 3 green and 5 yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you just flip it. And then you flip. You can even write just flip. You could draw it again, flipped, or you can just write and then you flip it. Flip. Flip. That's okay. Just, you don't have to write it. Okay, now we'll go to the next stage. I know. Okay. We have about 5 minutes, so we're going to have to pause here in a little bit, but we'll go up until Spanish time. We'll work until until Spanish time. All right, we ready? No. Okay. Okay, friends. Some friends are not ready, so we'll wait for them to be ready. Okay, show me you're ready by flipping it to the next side, then I'll know you're ready. Just flip. Okay, we are going to write the sum and change the order of the addends and write the new equation. So let's go ahead and do number 3 together. 2 plus 6. Who knows what 2 plus 6 is? Enos. 8. Right? If you need to draw like circles, that's okay too. You can do 2 plus 6 if that helps you. You can use your cubes if you want to get cubes out, but right now it's just about Spanish time, so we're going to give it like, we'll do cubes maybe after. But 2 plus 6 equals 8. So write 8 right there on the line here, 8. Now we have to change the order of the addends. So what number comes first here? 6 plus how many? 2 equals 8. Because remember, the sum always stays the same. You're not changing how many you have, it's just in a different order. Okay, come over to number 4. See if you can add what 3 plus 6 is and write that number right here. If you need to draw circles, if you need to use fingers, if you need to use the number line up there. 3 plus 6. Think about how many 3 plus 6 is. Okay, then you're going to write the sum there. Okay, and then you're going to come down here and you're going to change the order of the addends and write the new equation. So now you need to put what number first? 6 first plus 3 equals 9. All right, so tell me if yours looks like this.
Yes.
Okay? Does anybody need help?
No.
I hear a couple no's. So if yours does not look like that, what happened? Well, you gotta get working, huh? All right? You gotta stay with us. All right. Okay, looking good. Remember, the sum always stays the same. Okay, come to number 5. Now look at what happened. The equal sign is first, and the plus sign is coming up next. So the total equals 1 plus 7, the parts, right? So this is the whole equals the parts. So what does 1 plus 7 equal? 8, right? You have 7, you go up 1, it's 8. So 8 is going to go first. Now look underneath. It still has the equal sign in the same place. So the whole number is always the same. That sum is the same. All we're changing is the order of the numbers. So you need to write 8 first. And it equals what? Changing the order of the numbers, what number would come first? 7 plus 1. Okay, 7 plus 1 equals 8. 1 plus 7 equals 8. Okay, let's come down to number 6. 4 plus 3, write the total. 4 plus 3, write how many the sum is when you add 4 plus 3 together. Okay, so you have how many? Come on, we're on this one. 4 plus 3 equals how many? Now come down underneath, change the order of the add-ins, and write the new equation. Okay, then you can go ahead and try number 7 and try number 8, and I'm going to come around and help those who need some help. We'll do number 9 and 10 after Spanish. Go ahead and do the next numbers there.